Good. We're recording.
What, 10 seconds of chewing?
Sounds good.
Alright, Vaughn, you be our counter. Dink it. And
Alright.
sink it.
How you holding out there, Ian? Dude, Ian's
getting
already
warm.
like getting
Okay.
maximum red.
I do
Alright.
this before my eyes go completely
Phone
Right.
repair has begun.
off the charts here.
I am losing vision quickly.
It burns us.
How you guys holding out?
That is
A
warm.
little cold. We're a little warm. Yeah. Feel those endorphins going. Yeah.
I'm having a really hard time staying in a screw.
Having
I
a
think I
really-
understand why Rhett and Link were having problems having coherent conversation.
Now you know for sure.
My nose is running at this point.
Yeah, I know. I'm leaking out of every orifice.
Trying to keep my leaks over the floor, not over the phone.
Yeah, right. Holy cow.
Screen is on, but we need to see if it works. It's not powering up. It's not
My hands are all shaky.
Man, I'm actually kind of glad we didn't have the actual peppers.
I'm severely disappointed you didn't have the actual peppers.
Logo.
What?
Yeah, dog. Which means I need to switch the home button, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna do that with power on?
Logo. So this one had a bad battery and a bad screen, so I don't know how that fares with the judge rules there, but I still need
Yeah,
to.
It means you picked the wrong phone.
Yeah,
so
damn right it does.
I picked poorly. I must have been the one that Ian said, hey, lights up.
Hey, interference! Hey, interference!
I let you borrow my picker thingy, so.
You two are adorable.
My soul is burning.
How you feeling, Ian?
We have
Like,
Andy, how you holding up, buddy?
I'm burning. Burning. A little burning and hurting. Man, that'll clear your sinuses though, that's for sure.
what sinuses? Do we still have any?
Nice.
These are not tears of joy.
You guys not gonna dip in for seconds, is that what you're saying? Not dipping in for another one?
Dipping in for another one, why not?
You get it. Ian doesn't have to do batteries.
And for me, I'm gonna kind of cheat a little because we just need to verify phone functionality here, and I can do that with battery not fully installed. And you know what? I'm gonna man it. I'm man up here.
You're going in
Go
for
for
seconds.
seconds.
What, you
gonna try to pump me out? Oh my god!
Yeah, seconds. Get it. Get it. Oh man. Are you guys immediately regretting that decision?
Yep.
No.
Yeah?
I hated it before I did it.
He hated it before he did it.
Oh, this one's got passcodes. I got a factory reset too.
How you holding up there?
Nah.
Are you still chewing on it?
Uh-huh.
You're gonna die. You're just gonna not live through this. Just recording Ian being super miserable right now. Oh, I gotta really get up in there for Instagram real quick. How you feeling, bud? Yeah?
I can't aim the screw.
No comment.
You want to comment? Listen to the tears hitting the ground.
How are those tears? Do the tears burn?
Moisture. I wanted.
Your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone.
Drink them.
Drink the tears. Is that cheating? Is it cheating if you drink the tears, Ian?
No.
No? Drinking the tears is acceptable?
Go record Andy.
I can't.
Restore in progress.
I got a tear.
You're actually doing the full restore right now, too. It's
Well,
hilarious.
it's not going to finish. I think Ian's got this one, but I have no idea if I had a password or not.
Ah, you're drinking stuff.
Well, I already got on that train a little bit ago. It doesn't
Oh.
help, though.
Nope. Doesn't do anything.
You want a snaz wipe?
Should we call it?
Yeah, well, his is done. We haven't been able to test anything. This one might have a passcode, too. I know my home button and my screen work. That's about it.
And if you have to, I wish
And it's got a bad battery.
Why did we eat a second one, Andy?
I was being a
'Cause
horrible
we're
influence.
macho men, that's why. Does yours work? I saw it. Come on.
I'm gonna SIM card and a passcode.
Passcode. Alright, so we'll have to reset yours, too. So, I think Ian definitely got this one. He's got all his screws back in, whereas
Yeah,
mine are
Ian's
still...
you give us a victory smile, man.
I wish that you
How you holding out there, buddy?
I'm crying.
I documented this whole thing as well as I could.
Alright.
There's teardrops.
Yeah, we're gonna suffer. Are you sure that's not snot? Because
I don't know.
I got
Could
some
be
snot
both,
drops
yeah.
over here. Yeah.
So how do you guys feel about that jerky?
So it's hot.
It doesn't stop.
Yep. It stands up to the Reaper name.
Nice. You want to go in for thirds?
No, I'm
No?
good.
No thirds? Ian?
No.
How about you, man? You game?
My bunghole's already going to be regretting this in about 8 hours. If my butt could cry, I'm sure it will be. So.
Oh, I'm positive. Yeah.
Well, congratulations, Ian. You're the champion. How do you feel? You feel like a winner right now?
Don't you wish there was a prize other than just shame?
I'm on the clock.
I think
I think I'm gonna stick my tongue into that bag of coffee creamer.
Get it.
What is the Reapers like? 3 million Scovilles or something stupid like that?
It's 3 and then a lot of zeros.
Yeah. Can definitely say with assuredness that is about 3 times the heat level of those Ghost Pepper Reaper.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That we ate. Yeah.
Ghost pepper reapers that you ate?
Yeah, we have the.
Oh,
so we'll do
I
the
know what
official
you're talking about.
advertisement here. We have the Ghost Pepper.
Hey, they ain't
Buffalo,
paying us.
and then we have the Reaper, and then I think my favorite is the one that is all gone until we eat the rest of the Mojo Habanero.
I don't
I think
know.
we did. Mojo Habanero, no. And the Mojo Habanero, which I think is my personal favorite, the correct amount of spice and hot.
Nice. All right. Well, I'm going to cut this video off now. Well done. Well done. Ian, you got anything you want to say? Andy, anything you want to say?
Go team.
Yeah. Nice.